They have committed series of robberies within the Kumasi metropolis. Now, so Omuji Kanwa, now Omudi Ama, one of the key persons who has also been convicted. Kabreche Bafo, now also a cotton Kano one crime. They were put before this court since February 2023. Now, through successful prosecution, and the judgment has been delivered, as you all have seen. Che Bafo and Clifford, on 3 robberies, the court convicted all of them. As you see, almost 120 years. They also also 3 robberies now, also serve 105 years. If you say we to serve as a deterrent to people who have planned to commit such robberies.
Uko we have evidence on Kwadia. Ubeji Hwasotrin.
For send your maimu aye day na de via de sign amount for April muti some be kwa ba no munsa atimi akoma no menye bidia hwe omo ho ene omo busua no emrante na bi so okumase omo de omo kire se na ebi mu ebufa so omo hu ye de mu omo ma no sika omo be hwe omo ho ne mo busua no omo be yin amafo ebutu ni nyina ne se omo de kro no ena ebe ye wo mu adwuma emrante na omudin ya ba bonten eye Jeffrey ena ba kon so de Clifford Okuku and Samana Spider-Man. No, say it's answer and Samana Spider-Man. And you who can no also spider no edge who shoe save shoe now or the car no else. And no moon himself chrono now one more a one more one from Mona send moon say chrono we a yabajumas abasa so more and I will say circuit your heart or the bemo. Nina say I almost share chrono do me as your mocoso edition amount for a cast edit from Samani. Uja when near Shimuka not yet the call. When you run was where near Shimuka, na ye go almost am I a correspondent police station? The consumer police phone the money that's from Edio Monta, and when Yamayadum, Omosaka, and Rantin in February 2023, and Udium Kupi, our courts. A court no Edioma sent my judge, a wow, a seminal Quaviano, now one more Eddie for a woman, a bino extra almost say. Samaya might be some of the chrono and a bemo jumadia and a market siano in fear judge no edema and no and I'm ranting ya or motel a too much and on this one she subscribe my page with one year and after me other man so send a bear upload the baby on Sat everything I was saying for them more. You have send a singing in koi any in fear a demand ranting we from who says a chrono and your mom my name may have
22-year-old Jeffrey Jomo, aka Jeff Clifford Opoku, aka Spider, 28 years, Prince Opuni, and Kwabena Bafo were convicted for a series of robbery incidents in the Kumasi metropolis. According to the police prosecutor, ASP Stephen Ofori, the convicts have been engaged in a series of crimes before their arrest. They first appeared before court in February 2023 and were charged with conspiracy to commit robbery contrary to the law. The court, presided over by His Worship Frederick Obitre, convicted all 4 on 3 robbery cases and sentenced them. The police prosecutor says this should serve as a deterrent to people who have plans to commit such robbery.
And they have committed series of robberies within the Kumasi metropolis. Now, so Omuji Kanwa. Now, Omudi Ama, one of the key persons who has also been convicted. Kabreche Bafo, now also a cotton Kano one crime. They were put before this court since February 2023. Now, through successful prosecution, and the judgment has been delivered, as you all have seen. Che Bafo and Clifford, on 3 robberies, the court convicted all of them. As you see, almost 120 years. They also also 3 robberies now, also serve 105 years. If you say we to serve as a deterrent to people who have planned to commit such robberies, to know that after all, crime does not pay.
Mr. Kwablapia, whose car was snatched at gunpoint, expressed satisfaction with the sentencing. I am grateful for this ruling. Ghana police has done so well. Most people say they are corrupt, but I believe they aren't.
Uko we have evidence on Kwadia. Ubeji Hwasotrin.
Ebusua sena emrante miense omakemu no esiko afai in a way e trese e wose ma ye ni e da emrante e nsa kan mu ye miensa pe omo maka na busu abonten e di bone esan se aban no ensan so mu ye te bia ne ya ide ya hyen edi akoni aban bia na ye lock e na ase ya ye be hwe se betutu ni nyina yie na bia security cameras bi kwa na wo se de boy ye car ni mu na se track ampo e na wo se ye to ne de boy ye car no ho se ne be ye na se akronfo yi a omo de omutim bone empa hoi se bi etimi ko free ya kwam na mo ji ye car e free ye se ma tracker any cameras any locks no e be boy ho ban e de fi akronfo yi ensem aye hu se ne osiji ensemi esifa e wo comment o afia ha so aye too much subscribe my page no se won ya wa ye so ameda asinyame insure Facebook TikTok Instagram ni nyina aye too much aye ho so na wa like na wa share e de ma me das makra